Toys Battle Hopper. If you've watched my previous unboxing, the Hot Toys Black Sun and Shadow Moon, and you have purchased those collectibles, I suggest that you also get this figure. Your Kamen Rider Black collection wouldn't be complete without this 1/6 scale collectible. Now, before we start the unboxing, like always, let's review the box first. On front of the box, you will see the image of the Battle Hopper. Now, this is from the remake. If you watch the 1980s show, the Kamen Rider Black from the 1980s, you will see that there's a significant difference of this Battle Hopper based on this image from the original one. The original Kamen Rider Battle Hopper looks like a mountain bike, but based on the image of this box, the Battle Hopper looks more like a big bike rather than a mountain bike. And on the side, there's a Kamen Rider Black logo, and there's also a name that says Battle Hopper. Both sides are identical, and on top of the box says Kamen Rider Black and the Kamen Rider Black logo. And of course, in every Hot Toys box are the details, like who manufactured it, the year it was manufactured, and the people responsible in sculpting the 1/6 scale collectible. Now, let's start the unboxing. Let's remove the sleeve first. Now, this one is a huge figure and quite heavy as well. Upon opening it, you would immediately see the new version of Battle Hopper. So like what I said earlier, the original one based on the 1980 show is more mountain bike like, while this one is more of a big bike Battle Hopper. And I think these are the stand for the 1/6 scale collectible. And look at this one. There's an image of Kamen Rider Black Sun and the rays of the Henshin belt or the Kingstone, and the image of the new version of Battle Hopper. It says Hot Toys Battle Hopper TMS 106, meaning this is based on the television series. Now let's open the box to have a clear view on the collectible. Like every Hot Toys figure, there is a manual included, and I think these are batteries. So this figure has a light-up feature. And look at this figure. Look at how awesome this one is. This one's made out of hard plastic, not die-cast, but nevertheless, still amazing. The green part is very glossy. Even the metallic parts, like the exhaust, are glossy. Even the tires are very highly detailed, as well as the engine. And like what I said, this is a lot different from the original Battle Hopper from the 1980s series. This is more of a big bike Battle Hopper rather than a mountain bike Battle Hopper from the original one. But for me, I like this better. This one's more badass than the original one, in my opinion. Look at the cast gauge. Look at the gauge. Even the gauge is highly detailed. Cast tank, seats, and this one's movable. Even the tires are movable. Very glossy, especially the green part. And I think this collectible has a light-up feature. I think this is the one that lights up. That's why there's a battery included in the figure. And hose, stower, and these are accessories that are included in this figure. Besides that, this custom cover for this one, or I mean here for this one. You can attach this here. You can see that in the camera. But besides that, I don't see any other accessories included in this figure. But if you already have the Shadow Moon Black Sun Hot Toys figures, I suggest that you get this one too. Your Black Sun collection wouldn't be complete without this battle hopper. Okay, like always, let's come up with a display pose for this figure. Now this is the display pose that we've come up with. If you have the Black Sun and the Shadow Moon figures from Hot Toys, I recommend that you also buy this one. The collection of the Kamen Rider Black Hot Toys wouldn't be complete without this battle hopper. This one is an awesome collectible. From the details and everything that comes with it, even the box is really amazing. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching.
Mama.